Multiply 2 and 7/12 times 3/4. Whenever multiplying a mixed number to a regular old fraction, the first thing I want to do is turn the mixed number into an improper fraction. How do I do that? Multiply the whole number out in front to the denominator. So 2 times 12. 2 times 12 is 24. Add that to the numerator. 24 plus 7 is 31. That becomes your new numerator. Now keep the 12 as the denominator the exact same. Now, did I touch that fraction over there? Nope, so just bring it down. Now, when multiplying two fractions together, multiply straight across the numerators and straight across the denominators. So multiplying straight across the top, 31 times 3 is 93. 12 times 4 is 48. Now, you'll notice this and say, well, wait a minute. 93 and 48 are both divisible by 3. So if I simplify this, I'm doing so by dividing the numerator and the denominator by 3. So 93 divided by 3 is 31, and 48 divided by 3 is going to be 16. Now, taking a look at that, that doesn't simplify any further, but I can turn this into a mixed number. So I'm going to see how many times 16 goes into 31. Well, 16 goes into 31 one time. 1 times 16 is 16. Subtract. 31 minus 16. Let me see. Borrow from the 2, make you a 2, make you 11. 11 minus 6 is 5. 2 minus 1 is 1. With no more numbers to drop down, I have a remainder of 15. So how do I turn all of this into a mixed number? That quotient of 1 becomes your whole number that lives out front. The remainder of 15 is your numerator. So I'm going to make you 15. And the denominator is still going to be 16. That will not change. So when all is said and done, my final answer is going to be 1 and 15/16.